Hey there! Today we're diving into a nifty problem involving Swift's property wrappers. So, the issue at hand is that when using a property wrapper to uppercase a string within a nested structure, the UI fails to update accordingly. This poses a classic conundrum in SwiftUI, specifically due to how the atState property is handled. Let's explore the solution to this dilemma step by step. Now let's break it down further by looking at the line of code atState private var str equals foo. In this scenario, the double atState declaration creates a conflict in the way SwiftUI updates the view. This setup essentially leads to the inner atState not being properly observed by the outer atState, resulting in a lack of UI updates. Following that, we have the snippet private var model equals model. By removing the outer atState declaration and simply utilizing a private variable for the model, we allow the view to accurately observe changes in the nested structure. However, this method comes with the drawback that alterations in non-DynamicProperty values within the model won't be tracked. Next up, we delve into the property wrapper struct Uppercased. By restructuring the Uppercased wrapper to refrain from being a dynamic property, we ensure a smoother interaction within SwiftUI views. This adjustment prevents any potential conflicts in updating the UI components related to the property wrapper. Lastly, if you're keen on incorporating a dynamic property version of Uppercased, you can utilize the UppercasedState property wrapper. By implementing this modified wrapper, you can seamlessly integrate the enhanced functionality of dynamic property within your SwiftUI structures. In summary, we've uncovered the nuances of SwiftUI property wrappers and how to navigate issues such as nested structures and conflicting atState declarations. Make sure to implement these solutions correctly to keep your SwiftUI views running smoothly. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and drop a witty comment below.